Welcome to Danish Summer! Yes, you heard it right. It's because it's summertime in Denmark and I'd like to share some of the things you might observe in here if you are a tourist or a traveler at heart. We all know there are 4 seasons in different parts of the world and Denmark is one of them. Wel er de 4 stille? What are the 4 seasons? They are summer, or summer, efterår, autumn, winter, winter, forår, spring. Trees are full of green leaves during this time of the year. Blomster, or flowers. Flowers are also abundant everywhere. This is also the season where schools are in its busiest, as students are most likely taking their exams, and if they pass, they graduate or become students as represented by the hats they wear. In Danish, we call this student's hat hue. We greet the graduates tillykke, which meant congratulations. Summertime is also the vacation period for schools. Summer vacation is sommerferie. How do Danes usually spend their summer vacation? Some travel overseas and enjoy luxury vacations or luksusferie. Others celebrate weddings, confirmations, and other occasions. Anledning, occasion. Many go on swimming on the beach or swimming pools. Swimming. Several groups go on charter holiday or charterferie. Children troop the amusement parks or Tivoli. Many enjoy eating ice cream or is, and eating strawberries, which we call jordbær. Eating pieces of cake or kage, and small biscuits, which we call kammerjunker in Danish, is also much popular. Another popular way to spend summer is by strolling the parks, playing and spending a really good time with family. This is familiehygge, or family fun. If you are learning from this video, will you give us a like? You are also welcome to subscribe so you'll get notified on our future videos. Certainly, another popular way of having a good time with your family and friends is by holding picnics or barbecue parties. This is what we call grillfest, or the barbecue party. The food that is barbecued is called grillmad. We also have parades on the streets of Copenhagen and also in other cities. Of course, at night time, there is also a way to enjoy summer by participating in distortion concerts or in a series of music festivals, like rock and roll or jazz festival or party. Fest, fest. Fest means festival or party. Finally, when you are tired and sleepy, remember to look on the skies. There is plenty of beauty to observe before saying good night. In Danish, godnat. Godnat. May you all have a real good summer. In Danish, må I have en rigtig god sommer. God sommer. Remember to subscribe and like to get notified. Thanks for watching.